Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am bringing you today an unboxing of a surprise I received from my sweet dear friend Christina of Christina's Paper Creations. She sent me a rack that I was not expecting, and that is so sweet of her, so I wanted to give her a shout out and open this on camera. So I have not peeked in here yet. I just opened up the box. So there's a nice card. Oh my goodness, Christina, what did you do? Oh my goodness, I see so many pretties. Read the sweet card. Oh, thank you, Christina. I won't share the whole card, but I value our friendship too. I met Christina in a couple groups a while back and just was drawn to her instantly, and we've really become good friends. I just treasure her. So what did you do? Let me see. Look at all of this beautiful yumminess. Wow. Oh goodness. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is on wire. I can see some really beautiful flowers and different things being made with that. That's wonderful. Thank you. And some beautiful blue. I'm wanting to do something in blue, and I don't have a lot of blue, so that is perfect. I have vowed to branch out from my pink and neutrals. Let's see, let me move that so we can have a better view. Gorgeous creamy ivory, I love that. Look at that. Oh, that is right up my alley right there. I love that. Look at that beautiful piece. That's really pretty. Oh, I love all of that. Thank you. Christina is redoing her craft room right now. She just got some new furniture pieces and is reorganizing, and it's looking so lovely. And I bet if you are like me, when you reorganize, you unearth things you forgot you had or tucked away and kind of out of sight, out of mind. So I hope you find all kinds of goodies to play with in your redecorating. So that was beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. How gorgeous. That is on silk ribbon with the beautiful pearls. Look at that pearl center in that one. Oh, how absolutely gorgeous. That is lovely. I absolutely love that. Thank you. Oh, look at the sweet little bag. Rejoice in the Lord always. Amen to that. Isn't that the truth? Oh my goodness. I am so surprised by all of this. Look at these goodies. Look at all the flowers. We were just talking about flowers recently. That's beautiful. Look at all of the pink ones. Pretty paper flowers. That's really pretty. And a sunflower. That is perfect. I have pages all printed up for a sunflower journal. I got the sunflower fabric all last summer and still have not done anything with it, so that's inspiring me to get that done. And Look at these pretty snippets. Oh, all my favorite colors right there. I just love that. And another pretty blue. What a fun goodie bag that was. So sweet. Christina kind of took me under her wing when I got in some of the groups and really gave me some good guidance and information about this whole junk journaling journey. And I've really had fun. There's so much to learn. What is this one? Cuter Than Cupid. That's darling. There's all kinds of goodies in here. Oh. These she uses for tag toppers. They're from 2 wedding dresses that she took apart. Oh, that's perfect. Those have enough substance to hold up for a topper. Those will be beautiful. That's some gorgeous bridal satin. How pretty. Those would make pretty flowers also. When my daughter was getting married, I made her wedding bouquet and her bridesmaids bouquets. And I cannot tell you how much of this satin and things that I did the burning of the edges and made flowers out of. And in my bouquet as well, I made a brooch bouquet when I married my husband. And those are so fun to make out of that satin. That's going to be so fun to play with. And then we've got another little goodie bag. Look at those sweet flowers. Oh, that is darling. Wow, I just had a brainstorm. I know exactly what's going to happen with those. Some pretty paper butterflies. So pretty. And some more of these little gorgeous ones. That is so unique. I've never seen anything like that before. Those are so pretty. I love that. And then we've got some pretty trim. That's beautiful. Look at these sweet little crochet flowers. How cute is that? And some pretty bows. Oh, so gorgeous. I love it. I say quite often, as much as I love the pretty laces and the pretty fabrics, I go absolutely nuts over the little bits and bobs like this. So gorgeous. So fun to take little pieces like that and create with them. Oh my, 2 more bags. Wow. Look at this one. Wrapped in a beautiful pink doily. Oh my, I see some lusciousness in here. Look at how pretty she's got that wrapped. Some pink grosgrain ribbon that she's wound through the doily. How sweet. Some little snippets of sequin and bugle beads. Those are beautiful. Oh my. Look at this. That is stunning. The bugle beads, iridescent and silver. And the gorgeous embroidery. Oh my heavens, that is stunning. That is going to be used for something special. I just got a visitor. My big dog came in. Stay out of the bed, please. No, sir. Some more appliques. Look at this piece. Oh, wow. That is lovely. So beautiful. And this looks like a coffee dyed or tea dyed. Luca? No, sir. Oh. Look at how beautiful that is. Luca. Some netting. Some beautiful appliques.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Doilies. And more appliques. Look at that one. These must have been coffee or tea dyed.
Get over here.
My dog's getting in trouble. He stole a piece of seam binding off of my desk and my husband got him. That is beautiful. Look at that pretty pink. Our boy is so naughty, he will steal things off of our desks, and he's obsessed with paper and lace, and then he will not give it back. And you have to give him a treat to bribe him to get what he stole and shouldn't have back. Look at this beautiful bag of goodies. Look at that beautiful ribbon. That will be lovely for my prayer journal. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this. Christina, you seriously should not have. This is so beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning.
Here.
Excuse me one moment while I close my door. Dog's getting in trouble. The husband's yelling at him. Rude while I'm trying to video. So I apologize for the interruption. But look at that. That is so beautiful. That must be on the vintage wedding dress. Wow. That is gorgeous. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at all the aging on the fabric. That is so gorgeous. I love that. Wow, Christina, I am so grateful. You didn't have to do all of this. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this piece with the... You sent such huge, generous portions. My goodness. Look at that. Look at this detail in here with the pearls and the ribbons and the bugle beads. And this fabric is so soft and gorgeous. Oh my, I am going to have so much fun. Absolutely dreamy. That is very special. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. Some pretty pink tulle. Some coffee dyed lace. That is beautiful. And some more fabric. Bridal satin. That is lovely. And some more netting and tulle. This looks so pretty when you're collaging to put underneath to give it some bulk and some dimension. I love that. And then a little box. What is in this tiny little box? Oh my goodness. Talk about the bits and bobs. Look at this. Look at all these goodies. How beautiful that is with the wire over the bead. Pretty shimmery ones. Look at these pretty ones. Just gorgeous. All the pearls, and there's some more blue. Ooh, look at these. These are like the tiger eye, cat's eye. The shimmer, so pretty. A little butterfly. How sweet. Thank you so much, Christina. I am just so grateful and overwhelmed, and just my head is spinning with all the ideas. I keep staring at this. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot believe you sent me all of this vintage wedding dress. All of the other goodies, the beautiful laces, and I just thank you so much. I treasure you truly. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you like this share, and I hope it inspires you to share some of your goodies with your special friends. So thank you, Christina, from the bottom of my heart, and I thank you all for watching, and I hope you give me a like and a comment and subscribe if you have not yet, and follow along on my crafty journey, and let me know what your favorite piece was in this beautiful heartfelt gift. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your week. Bye, y'all.